Hey everybody, I got this cute little puppy as an early birthday present from my mother. I named him Armani. He is a little, I don't know if any of y'all have heard of this type of dog. I don't know if it's really it or not, but it's called a pocket beagle. He's a sweet. Somebody just dropped like 5 of them off at somebody's house. My mom and I went and looked at him. He was the last one. And we got him. I kind of want to wake him up. Please. Isn't he the cutest little thing you ever seen? Puppy. We go. Anyways, my birthday is on the 20th. I'll be 19. And I just wanted to show you him. He's teeny. His little tail. He's got a teeny little tail. Anyways, just wanted to show him to you. Just to get an idea how big he is. This is my channel changer, so he's not too huge. He's still teeny tiny. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye.